checking the heart rate, baseline 140. We have good variability, some late decels when the contraction peaks, but it resolves.
Fetal heart rate 155, variable D cells, but good variability. Contractions every 2 minutes. She's in active labor
You're
now.
doing so well, Mama. Hang in there.
Oxytocin rate is steady. Heart rate's climbing low, 180. Contractions are strong, maybe 2.